challenges in every step.
Right. So, like, what kind of challenges do you see?
Disperse the fund to end user of every founder of a startup and incubators.
Right. So,
Because government introduced the fund but not introduce any R&D center, not increase any incubators to tier 3, tier 4 cities.
right. So, I mean, as per the scheme, incubators will be playing a very big role in rolling out the funds. And you being a startup mentor, what do you think will be challenges from an incubator perspective and a startup perspective?
See, as per mentor view, just like the incubators is also playing two roles, just like the one is the government incubators and one is the private incubators.
Right.
If you see the government incubator totally lie on the government funds, okay, that is allocated for the year and also just like for the 6 months. It's not just like this for every month as per requirement.
Right.
And if you see the private incubator is stuck with a lots of investors. They are dispersed when they require the funds.
Right. So, my question would be like, was there something which you were expecting from the budget and it was not fulfilled as a startup, as a member of the startup ecosystem?
Yes, of course, just like the lots of just like the sectors, just like the I think about just like the government will introduce lots of R&D sectors and also stuck with just like the space tourism, like some marine development. These are the sectors which government are ignoring right now. Only few are startups who is in the space tourism and the submarine. Government
Right.
is also only highlight agriculture, healthcare, and other arm stock startups.
Right. So, we covered that it's a part of a mini budget. So, what do you think is needed in the next mini budget?
For the next mini budget, I hope just like introduce some MSME schemes more, because the Indian economy is totally depend upon the MSME. The
Right.
lower middle class job is also depend upon the MSME sectors. So I just like introduce some more scheme to MSME to go for local to vocal. So start specific fund of MSME whose losses due to pandemic. If they require, they take a loan as a loan or as a just like the incentive of their
Right.
increase R&D center of MSME.
Right. So, one question for you is, since you are an mentor with Niti Aayog and NASSCOM, so I mean, last year was a really bad year for startups. Initially, it was thought that many will shut down. People showed resilience out there. I mean, it was not that bad that we expected. So, how do you see 2021 for startups?
See, this year, as per my view, just like from the last year, I personally shut down lots of startups because their losses huge in terms of just like the who startup who is in healthcare and medical sectors, they are running very well. Other than healthcare sectors, the decrease just like the amount of travel and tourism sectors like that. And then FMCG sector startups is also increased day by day, just like the e-commerce platform. So in this year, we see just like the startups to increase in terms of number of new startups and increase in terms of just like the innovation, because due to crisis, because people involved in the R&D, they develop new innovation into market.
So, my last question to you would be: the government every time they come up with something in the budget, or also there are a lot of schemes for startups as well, but startups are not able to take advantage of these schemes. Why do you think is that?
Exactly, because government starting this scheme through the portals, just like the government just like launched the one portals and starting this scheme, just like all the startup scheme.
Right.
But government are not introducing to every founder just like by pushing the mail, like SMS campaign. These are the opportunity you have.
So I mean, so I see a lot of scope for private players, because as a mentor, you can help startups a lot in these cases. You are aware of the scheme, so you can help them out. So how do you think? I mean, how do you think you can increase? Help these startups more on this schemes part.
Through just like the giving the mentoring, because that's a reason, because I am introducing lots of government scheme to founder. Founder are not aware about the government scheme. Founders are only searching the private investors like angel investors, even not depend upon the government funds. That's a reason I introduce lots of government funds, just taking care of the events to MSME and startup incubation, and just like also lots of events. Through this channel, digital channel, we are promoting the startup schemes.
Right. So, do you think? Government, as you said, they need to do more mailing activities, right? What more? How all startups can? Mailing is one thing, but from government, how more private players can help us out for a new startup founder? How can helping providing the initial stages for any startup?
See, from the startup founder side, already startup portal, Startup India ready. They are all the mentors are listed. If founder needs any help, needs any knowledge, then founder have to just visit that site and just log in there and just call the mentor or either email the mentor. Then mentor will also also always need to just help the startup.
Thank you, Nitin, for taking out your time. You're doing a wonderful job helping our early stage startups because they need that guidance from you at that point, at that stage. So thank you, Nitin, for joining us. Thanks a lot for your time, Nitin.
Thank you, Kshitij.